Hey guys, hope you're watching for in the last two videos we saw that bot can speak. In this video we will show the code to make a bot speak. So take a code stage and open this and paste this code. So this is the simple code. So in this code we have two lines. First one we are declaring a variable which is dim object is equal to create object of sapi sp voice, and in the next line we are calling a function which is speak, and in this function we are passing a text value and run the bot.
Hello.
We can give any value, a alphabet, a character, a line, a sentence, or a paragraph, or a word. Anything we can give it here. It could be a text also, or it could be a number as well. Let's see some examples.
Good morning, no, good night. Good morning. No, good night.
We can use a data item to pass the value, and we can create a input here, and the value we can give it here and pass the value in this function. Now click on OK and run the bot.
Hi guys.
Now I will create a starter parameter to get the input value and pass that value in the action.
Hi guys.
So our action is ready. We can use this in the process, in any process. Go to settings and search for speech. Here you can see the language. You can change the language, and also there are voices available. There are multiple voices available. You can select anyone which you like, and you can decrease the voice speed as well.
आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कल्पना को डिफ़ॉल्ट आवाज के रूप में चुना है। आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कल्पना को डिफ़ॉल्ट आवाज के रूप में चुना है। आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कल्पना को डिफ़ॉल्ट आवाज के रूप में चुना है। आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कल्पना को डिफ़ॉल्ट आवाज के रूप में चुना है। आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कल्पना को डिफ़ॉल्ट आवाज के रूप में चुना है। You have selected Microsoft Hira as the default voice.